beautiful peoples, welcome to my channel. So this is RG Vlogs. So as you can see the greenery nature, so I am in my terrace. So now it's too cloudy, so I thought let me do some short video. So now I have came to do some basic exercises for you all who are all not going to gym. So who wants to go to gym, so you are all not able to go. 60 to 75% peoples who are in home, so their motivation is like they want to go to gym or whatever. So their parents are not living, many problems will be there with financial problem. So I would like to say, don't sit in home, simply don't waste your time in this lockdown. As you can do your abs workout, whatever workout what you want, so you can continue, start now only. So I am going to show you now best tutorial. So please do like, share in this channel only, so that you can get better video. So I'm going to start some basic exercises. So 3 exercises for chest as well as biceps and all, and for abs I will show you some 3 to 4 exercises. Let's go on. So I will do first push-ups exercises. The position I would like to say, the Samniti ka asana, dekh mein. So this is the position. Keep your hand in the same small length. Don't wide too much. You have to keep in a small length only, so that it will be comfortable for you also to do. For beginners, I would like to say, sit in this position better it will be. So knee position, and then do push-up like this. So you are all well practiced with knee means, then you can take it out your knee and you can straight up in push-up position, and you can push up. And push up, I mean to say that breathe in, breathe out, people will be confusion. So I would like to say, when you are going, when your body is going down, you have to breathe out. When you are coming up, you have to do breathe out. So I will show you. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. So this is a push-up. 15 into 5 sets only you have to do. It's more enough. So 15 5 is 75. 75 times do push-up. This is called normal push-up. If you want to increase your biceps still more fast, so as you can reverse your wrist. So this is the position. So beginners, you can do with your knee also. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, and after practicing, so try to do without knee. So this is a reverse push-up, same normal push-up type only. So normal push-up, what we were doing, we have our wrist were forward. So this we are doing reverse, that's it, no any changes. So this was the second exercise. So another one, if you want proper triceps in your home itself, you can hit it. So this is the diamond push-up position. So keep your hand like this in diamond position. Okay, and your body should be forward little. See to your according to comfort. First do with your knee. Okay, then okay, this was with knee. Okay, beginners. Now advance, you can be positioned like this. We have to see the contact of your biceps as well as the range of motion. So see to it properly and do it. Responsibility is all yours. Don't try to do in other way. Don't do any other stunts while doing any workouts. So it may be injuries to your bone itself. So I would like to say, take safety yourself. So this was just push-up parts. And another one I would like to say, now abs part I would like to show you. So lie down like this. Just place your wrist like this. Okay, don't pull like this. Okay, just you have to be in this position. So this is what to say, first to abdomen which is hitting yourself, so it makes your abs. So this is called crunches. So I would like to say 15 into 5 sets. So you have to see the proper your abs contact also. Okay, and your core should be very tight, as well as while coming up you have to just blow out from your mouth, and while going down you have to breathe in by your nose. Remember that. So this was a crunch. Again I am showing you once again. Go like this, lie down, breathe in, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe in. Like this you have to be doing. So this was the first abs exercise. So next I would like to show you total full six pack how to gain yourself. So you have to crunch like this. So this is a full six pack core burning part. So you have to do like this, same position, like you have to lie down, and while coming up you have to just breathe out, and going down we have to just breathe in. That is only the position and the changes between these crunches as well as six pack crunches. Now third exercise, what I am going to do is to get proper side lateral ankles as well as obliques. So I would like to say you all do bicycle crunches. So I would like to show you bicycle crunch. So this is the position, okay, and వచ్చేతో నా oh guys, so this was a bicycle crunch. I would like to say you guys don't do like me, have some mat with you. So I forgot to bring the mat, then also I have did. However, so this type of basic exercise I have given you. So every day do 15 into 5 sets every day. So within 1 month you will get a result. So for sure I will give guarantee you can also get a proper body like this. So even I am also home workout, even I have also not went to gym, same problem even I am also facing in my home. So I would like to say you guys start from today only, okay, don't wait for your gym only. So in your home also many things you can do. So gain yourself in your home and have proper diet. So you can go to my channel and see to it. About diet chart also I have shared with you all. So please do like and share and subscribe to my channel and see all the videos. So thank you guys for this much viewers as well as subscribes. So still I want more support from you all guys. So till then stay tuned. So I will bring with the next vlog. Let me see still more with advanced level legs workout. I will do every day legs workout as well as abs workout. I will try to bring with new videos. So till then stay tuned.